Our replacement-compatible CF226X and CF226A cartridges for Hewlett-Packard's Jet Intelligence printers deliver the best performance available from an aftermarket cartridge. These cartridges are used in the popular HP Laserjet Pro M402 and M426 printers. The HP Pro M402 monochrome printer has an OEM-rated print speed of 40 pages per minute and a monthly duty cycle rating of 80,000 pages. Our replacement-compatible CF226X and CF226A cartridges deliver consistent OEM comparable print performance from start to finish while meeting the stated OEM page yield of 9,000 for the 26X and 3,100 pages for the 26A. Both cartridges feature patented Safe Drive technology, a retractable mechanism on the OPC gear that prevents catastrophic end-user failure and printer damage. For more in-depth product information, visit our website or contact your sales representative.